Hello everyone, my name is Chin. Today is the 30th of September 2024. Let's talk about this euro dollar. I'm doing day trade and today is quite exciting. So I've done how many trades? I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, and the red means I lost it. I lost the first one, and the rest are the wins, and I'm gonna explain the thought process behind. So if you are interested, then you might know the reason behind it. So I always said let the price covered the Asia low and Asia high to see the momentum, and I did exactly the opposite. So the first one I went for a short. The reason why I did that was purely because of the gaps here, and the back of my mind knew it could range, could go up or go down, and I just didn't wait. And it's really bullish, and why would I short it? Lesson learned. And then later on, the price get up to the place where I want to go long, which is the double of the Asia range. So when it gets up there with a long, nice 3 minutes green candle close above it, like I did here, I go for a few pips, and we all know there's a big resistance up there. So I managed to get out before that hit. And then the next one, which is always the hardest to trade, is when it comes back down, because most of the time it will range, take the low, take the high, and go back as I anticipated. So I noticed, of course, there's a gap there, and also there are gaps there too, quite a fair bit there. And I notice there's always building up a line, a ranging line there. With this two confluence, with a nice candle, red candle close below it, with a change of character there, also with gaps there, three things is telling me it is very likely to go down. So I'll take a short and manage to get out before it pulls up again, because I noticed there is a support there. So just managed to close. And next one I did is when the price go back through the double the Asia range. There's not much of a resistance going on as nicely go up to it, so I'll put a long there. Plus a break off structure is so bullish right there. Just managed to close it before the double top. And the next thing is difficult. I noticed this line here. So my mind is telling me when it breaks down below this with a big nice red candle, it's got tons of gaps here to fill. Not necessarily needs to fill, but it will be one of the confluence. So big red candle, change of character, break of structure, close below this support line, then I went for a short. And that's how I trade the other one. Then I didn't really notice the rest because that's enough for today. But if I would have noticed, later we did have another breakdown. But as I said, it's already almost 5 o'clock. I wouldn't normally engage with it. If you did manage your own stop loss, this is not too good to me because the red candle is just not very indicative to where it's gonna go, plus a resistance coming along very soon. So, and it's 3 hours after New York Open. That one goes there because it's a nice and big red candle, but I wouldn't even go for that. So that's the trades for today. So 5 I've done, which is crazy. Aiming to do only 2 to 3 maximum. But I did 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah. So 4 wins, 1 loss. And now let's do a random day. Let's wait for it to load. Let me get rid of some drawings. Let's bring the map back. So it's 2009 October. So I'm not going to trade that till next day. See if I can pause it. If I can't, I'm going to random bar again. Well, looks like we did. Yeah, per usual, let's see if the price can cover the high and the low of Asia range. Up till now, no indication of where it's gonna go. No indication. It might stay up there for a while, it might go down there. Usually it will stay hovering up and then it could look for a lower price. Once it steps into an hour before New York, it might have some dramatic change to the price. Right now, no one knows. Let's bring this Asia range out. Again, the day was 2nd of November 2009. No idea where it's gonna go. Before we proceed, there's quite a lot of resistance going on there. It is very risky to put a long up there, but we'll see. It's a lot of resistance. It's really testing the techniques now. I just hope it wouldn't go up there, otherwise I'm in a very awkward situation. Right, what I'm seeing right now is this. And this massive gap down there. So, and also down here as well. All this. It's very likely that the price could another push. It could do something like that. It could. But run above 3 hours after, hard to say. It's not very bearish yet. I'm going for a sell here. Let's do this much. Go for a short. If I got it, that will be the last trade. That will be the only trade. Stop loss will be run about there. And let's see. Am I confident about this one? Yeah. There you go. Only one candle will get you this amount. So that's it for today. I'm not gonna go for more. I'll see you next time.